Hello everyone, this is UD once again. Welcome to Edit It Yourself. I'll be your coach for today, showing you how to add text to your video clips or picture compilation. So let's immediately get to it. I'm sure you already know by now how to import your raw clips from your gallery to your timeline. If you do not know that, then you'll need to go see previous videos on the YouTube channel, especially the trim, split, and cut video. You will get to learn how to import your raw clips to your timeline. So let's quickly play what I have put on the timeline so we confirm that there's no text on it. Awesome. So immediately we'll move ahead to add some text to this clip. So you move to the icon at the top that says text. The minute you click on it, it's going to show you add text. So I click on it and add text is just there. You click on add text. It brings out the text box that says default text. You add that to your timeline. I'm going to show you how this works on your mobile phone, by the way. Get to the text box where it says default text. Delete the default text before you type in what you want to write. In this case, I want to write squats because when we watched the video, the first thing there was squats. I'm only going to use this sample as a label sample. You can add text, you can add sentences, you can add phrases, whatever you want to add using the same method. So I'm trying to adjust to show you that you can adjust the size of the text using that bar, or you can use the numbers that are just beside the bar. You click up and it increases, you click down and it reduces or something like that. So now these are other features that have to do with the text. Either you make it bold or you underline it or you turn it to italics, or you make everything in small letters or just capitalize the first letter. Next, we scroll down to see other features that can help you adjust your text, give it a particular look depending on what you want. So here we see the colors. You can pick any of the colors here, whatever you want your text to look like. Moving on to the next feature, that helps you align your text, whether it's to the left, to the center, or to the right. The only reason why it's not responding is because mine is just one word. If it was a sentence, you would have seen the difference. It also aligns how you write your text, if it is from left to right or top to bottom. I picked top to bottom. Looking at the image in the center, I didn't want to write across it. So I picked top to bottom to keep it just by the side. Now you can just go ahead and explore other functions or features of the text that can give you a different look, be it in the borders, in the colors, in the fonts, in the shadows, the stroke. Moving down, there are buttons that can help you adjust the colors, the opacity of the shadow to either make it really pronounced or make it light. This is where you pick the color for the shadows. If you check the font, you see it change as I pick different colors. And the bar just under that controls the level of the opacity, if it can be very bold or vice versa. So let's go ahead and save what we've already set for the text. There are other places, other options where you can go check the features like the bubbles, you can check the word ads. Just explore all the features until you get what you want your text to look like. The animations you already know, the in, the out, the combo. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, then that's your cue to go watch our video tutorial on manual editing. So I'll click play. Let's see what it looks like. Awesome job. Notice that the squats text had disappeared before the squats was done. Let's adjust that by just extending the right border of the frame. There you go. A little bit more. Perfect. So the process is repeated for the remaining parts of the video. Now I'm going to show you what this is like on your mobile phone before I show you my final result. So on the mobile interface, you click the text at the bottom. It takes you to the add text, opens a text box where you can type in your text, and then you can explore every other feature just as we saw on the desktop, the templates, the fonts, styles, word ads, animations, bubble, and so on. And of course, remember, once you're done adding your text, the next step is to export just at the top right corner. So this ends our class. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And of course, hit the notification bell for future notifications. In the results, I added a trademark. If you're interested in knowing how I did that, ask in the comment section. Bye.